Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert surface graph in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we want to insert the surface graph. At first, select data, click and drag on our mouse. Then go to the insert menu. Select the recommended chart option. Click the all chart. Now I am go to the surface option. Select this surface. We can see here the 3D surface or the wireframe or the surface contour, etc. Now I am select the 3D surface option. Click OK. Now we can see we insert a surface chart. You can rename the chart title. Click inside the text box and select the text and write your title. Otherwise you can change the color, style, mode than effect. Go to the chart design menu, select the style drop down menu. You can change the style. Now I am select this. You can change the color of the chart. Now I am select the color. Now we can see we insert surface chart in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.